Okay, this is a Ponderosa lemon that I grew from a stick, and somebody snapped it right off this morning, so we're going to see if we can. I did tape it back together. Let's see if we can do something fancy here to save it, because that's a couple of months of growth I've lost. Could even less, but if you see the bottom, we've got roots coming out, so I need it to be transferred anyways. In fact, I see a lot of roots down here. It's really well rooted. It's like an adult tree because it's a stick, but unfortunately it got bastardized per se by somebody walking by and snapping it off. I had it inside another plant. I just moved it this morning too. I should have left it where it was, but we'll get it fixed up.
So,
yeah.
where can I throw this?
What is it? Soapy water?
Dirty water.
Oh, in the back corner there's a trough.
Here, at the back.
All the way at the back. Trough that goes out to the back switch. Oh, I was still recording. Somebody asked me something. Okay. So we'll get this packed in here good. And then we get a support stick to hold that guy up so we don't lose him. And this leaf that came off, we're going to stick this in the soil just for the heck of it. You never know. Might take root. Then we get a rooted leaf. That's about all you get out of a leaf. Leaves do root, by the way. They root quite easily. But you get a rooted leaf. What are you going to do with a rooted leaf? Enjoy the leaf. It's not going to get fruit. There's no stick to come up and bud from a leaf. But maybe after a while in the ground, I got some that have been in the ground 6 to 8 months, and they're still leaves with nice long roots. But, so let's get a stick here to support this. And this stick here should be good. This stick here, if somebody doesn't snap it off again. Tie it to this stick. Give it some support. Add a rope here too. And should be good to go. So we got the broken stick here taped up plus tied to a stake, and the leaf, stuck that in the ground, and we'll see how she all does. We'll show you in a couple of weeks any progress.